I chose the theme identities, and I thought about the question, what makes us who we are and what makes up our identity? And I wanted to go beyond what's written on the paper, such as religion or age or nationality. And I thought about what we all do, but all do very differently, and that is how we cope or deal with things and events or stages in our life. And I think that this aspect of our identity says a lot about us. For example, how we escape from breaking under the burden of some things, or how Evan in the story escapes from all the horrible things happening around him. You can visually explore my theme in many different ways. You can look at it taken apart, or depending on which room you see first, you might have a different idea of what this story is about, and it might have a different effect on you. For example, if you saw the space room first, you'd be thinking that he's a very happy boy indeed, and that he has a dream that he wants to live out. My research has shown that now with the COVID circumstances and everything going on, there's more kids in a bad situation like Evan is in than ever before. And we do not notice that. In terms of predicting the future, I think there's two ways we can go. A, there'll be a generalization after maybe a specific event in history, and difference will not be allowed after that to maybe ensure peace. And my second guess would be that we will take more diversity in life than ever before, and that we will take part of cultures and build our own identity as opposed to just taking things how they are. My opinion on identities is that our identity is mostly made up of how we deal with experiences, and if we maybe take them to our advantage or lose our mind over something. And culture and all those things like nationality, they are mostly ways of living and viewing things. And therefore you can't always see them from the outside, but you have to look closer.